Hello again, BeatTheBush here. This is a continuation from my main channel regarding YouTube demonetization. If any of you guys have a YouTube channel that has more than 10,000 views, you're able to monetize this channel. YouTube this past week just raised the bar on this. Instead of having 10,000 views, now they require 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time on your videos. Now from the requirement from before, if you have 10,000 views and if every person watches your video for about 3 minutes, this equates to roughly 500 hours of watch time. So going from roughly 500 hours of watch time to 4,000 hours of watch time is about an 8x leap, which is a lot. Now let me tell you guys why I put most of this video on this channel, BeatTheBush DIY, is because right now I only have about 2,500 hours on this channel and more than 1,000 subscribers, so it's okay there. But I do not have enough watch time to satisfy this monetization, and they're going to demonetize it sometime in February 20th. So what just happened here? I have a bigger channel that has 135,000 subscribers, so I put a video up there saying, hey, go watch this video that's on this other channel. Therefore, a lot of people is going to come to this video and watch a whole bunch of minutes and very, very easily satisfy this 4,000 hour requirement. Now, I thank you guys for clicking over, and this is not going to be a regular thing because just 1 or 2 video, I believe it's going to satisfy this requirement already. So from this point forward, everything's going to be normal. All the future videos would just reside on BeatTheBush and not on this channel, BeatTheBush DIY. So when you think about it, is this cheating? Is this allowed? Can you actually refer yourself? If you think this is a little bit shady, think about if you ask a friend that has a bigger channel to refer to your video. Would that be shady? Sometimes before, I have a video that's recommended by some website or some other video, and all of a sudden I get a lot of views, a lot more subscribers. It becomes like a really huge spike all of a sudden. Now when you get referred by someone else, well, that probably isn't cheating. That is the normal way things work in YouTube. So when a really big channel refers you and all of a sudden you get more than 1,000 subscribers and all of a sudden you get a lot of views, you get a lot of watch time, 4,000 hours and more, and suddenly you're able to monetize. Would this be fair? Doing this is not very clear if it's in the gray area or not, if YouTube is going to allow this or not, but I believe it's within the limits of their user agreement. So if you think you have really good content, link down in the video description below and I'm going to take a look at it. And if I enjoy it personally, I'm going to link you in the next video that I do towards the end. So one thing is for sure, when they ask you to have 1,000 subscribers, this is a really large hurdle to overcome when you start from zero, because every single channel actually started from zero. Someone had to just go in there and start up an account with nothing. For me, it actually took me 1 year and 3 months to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I had to consistently keep on uploading videos. At first, I uploaded about every other week, and then I did it every single week. So it is a grind, and by the time you have 1,000 subscribers, you're likely going to have more than 50 to 100 videos in there already. As I said before, I was working on a t-shirt design with bonfire.com. So behold, here's a t-shirt design. It says infinite vacation with a honey badger underneath. The first one has a lettering on top. The second one has a lettering on bottom, which is the best one that I like. The third one has lettering around the top but curved a little bit. So I kind of like the second one because I didn't want the letters to be just kind of floating on top, and the honey badger rather is sort of walking on the letters instead. And I actually have to ask them to make that infinity sign because when I entered in a symbol on their website, it didn't quite work, and I'm like, well, you should make that infinite sign to be roughly the height of the smaller character. So they did do that for me, and I'm quite happy with it. There are going to be men's and women's tees and 5 different colors for each, I believe. This t-shirt design does not have to be finalized. If a lot of people go, oh, I don't really like this lettering is too simple or something, maybe they don't like a honey badger or something, just leave a comment down below. And if there are a lot of people saying, you should do this or that, I would most definitely go and tailor this for all of you guys. One thing to note is that whenever I wear t-shirts, I usually don't like wearing a really giant logo of something. So that is the main reason I don't put my name, BeatTheBush, like right across at the bottom, because it's sort of like a vanity thing. And since I don't like to wear logos of, someone else, therefore I just kind of made this design so that it says something, but you kind of know where it's coming from. If you watch this channel, then you'll know, oh yeah, honey badger, infinite vacation. These are all the main themes of this channel. So if you know this channel, you would recognize this t-shirt. If you don't know this channel, you're going to go, oh yeah, that's a nice t-shirt or something. Maybe you enjoy the design, maybe you enjoy what it says, then you're going to ask about it. Then, you can tell people that, it's from BeatTheBush YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and I really appreciate that you clicked over onto this video to help me out on this other channel that I have. If you're interested in supporting this channel, check out my Audible link down in the video description below where you can get a free audiobook, and if you don't like this audiobook or this service, you can cancel it before the subscription expires and you can still keep this audiobook for free. So just trying this out will help out this channel, and you can keep a free audiobook. I also have a Patreon link over here where members can get past spreadsheets I've used in previous videos. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel over here and click that bell icon next to that subscribe button so that you get a new notification whenever I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching.